Welcome to the video. We've got the ICAN wheel. I can take off my jersey. It's getting a bit hot here today. Low fat body for the win. Let's open these bad boys up. ICAN sent me out some wheels here for a review. Did we get rim brake or disc brake? I think you know the answer to that one, because the industry is changing. So ICAN wheels, that's what you get in the 2-year warranty. The test report, it's pretty cool. So they get some, wow, that's interesting, going above and beyond. Put that down here. What have we got in this bad boy? I'll get that in a second. Show the wheels. They're quite well packed in the bottom there. Make sure there's nothing down the bottom. Quick releases, and EPO ampules. The mystery packet in there. So these blades are feel very lightweight. Wow. These are disc brake wheels. They're hooked. So I do not recommend hookless, for the record. Hookless equals toothless, okay? Don't ride hookless rims, people. So these are disc brakes. So I asked them if they could send me out a rim brake set. They don't have rim brake anymore. So they go on disc. So these will go on my gravel bike. This is called the FL38 Max. Yeah, the bearings feel quite good out the box. ICAN has a good reputation with wheels, so the finish looks really good on there. Yeah, again, this is an example of why would you buy Zips and those wheels, those brand name wheels, when you have, in my opinion, a better product. This is definitely going to be better than any Zip wheel out there, because the Zip, they do hookless now. Envy do hookless. That's dangerous, man. So to stay around safety, Envy, Zip with their hookless design, instant. See you later. I prefer ICANs over that. So yeah, this feels pretty good. The weight, they're like super light, but they're alloy spoke, so there's a bit of durability there in crashes. Carbon spoke is lighter, but not as durable. So these feel pretty good. Just out of the box. Yeah, these feel like a Rivara wheel or something like that. But we'll get these some rotors on there, put them on the gravel bike, or the SL8 tarmac gravel bike, same thing, and we'll get them rolling. That's the unboxing. ICAN FL38 Max. It's a Freely 38 Max, and yeah. But it's this sign of the time, isn't it? Rim brake. I asked if they could send out some rim brakes, but let's see, the rim brakes are done and dusted. So there's an interesting time in the industry. So if you want disc brakes, for your gravel bike, then ICAN is definitely a brand to put on the short list and have a look at what they're offering. Because I have ridden these ICAN wheels before, in the rim brake ones, and it is a good brand. It is a good brand. So you can just feel the finish of them. Spoke tension feels good out of the box. So not that I'm a wheel expert of spoke tension, but I know enough that these feel pretty decent, pretty even. So yeah, why would you spend big bucks on Envy and Zip when you got something like this? Good question, isn't it? And hookless, no more hookless. Always have hooked rims, okay? Hooked rims. Hookless, the tire explodes off the rim too easy. Dangerous.